Hello बच्चों, welcome to my channel. Today we will take one short revision of chapter 11, Light, Shadows and Reflections. Luminous objects. Objects which give out light of their own are called luminous objects. Examples are sun, torch, etc. Non-luminous objects. Objects like a chair, a shoe, do not emit light are called non-luminous objects. How we see an object. When light falls on an object, it gets reflected. Reflected light travels towards our eye and we can see the object. Shadows. Shadows are formed when an opaque object comes in the path of light. These can be seen only on screen. The ground, walls of a room, a building act as screen for shadows. Pinhole camera. It can be made from simple materials and can be used to image the sun and brightly lit objects. Light travels along a straight line. Mirror changes the direction of the light that falls on it. Now we will do its NCERT solutions. Rearrange the boxes given below to make a sentence that help us to understand opaque objects. Opaque objects make shadows. Now question number 3. Can you think of creating a shape that would give a circular shadow if held in one way and a rectangular shadow if held in another way? When a cylinder is held in sunlight, it would give a circular shadow if held in this way. फिगर देख सकते हैं आप, सिलेंडर को रखा हुआ है इन्होंने और इसकी शैडो सर्कुलर आ रही है. When cylinder is held in this way, it would give rectangular shadow. आप फिगर देख सकते हैं. Now we will do question number 2. Classify the objects or the materials given below as opaque, transparent, translucent, luminous and non-luminous. Opaque objects do not allow light to pass through them. Transparent allow light to pass through them. Translucent objects allow light to pass through them but not clearly. तो हमने इस क्वेश्चंस में ऑब्जेक्ट्स दे रखे हैं. हमें इसमें छांटना है कि कौन सा ऑब्जेक्ट ओपेक है, कौन सा ट्रांसपेरेंट और कौन सा ट्रांसल्यूसेंट है. उसके बाद हम ल्यूमिनस और नॉन ल्यूमिनस बताएंगे. एयर ट्रांसपेरेंट है, एयर वाटर, ए शीट ऑफ पॉलीथीन. No. Air and water are transparent. A piece of rock, a sheet of aluminium, mirror, wooden board, they are opaque. Sheet of polythene, CD, smoke, these are translucent. Plain glass is transparent. Fog is translucent. Red hot iron, umbrella, lighted fluorescent tube, wall, sheet of carbon paper, these are opaque. Flame of gas burner, translucent. Cardboard, lighted torch, opaque. Sheet of cellophane and wire mesh, translucent. Kerosene stove, sun, firefly, moon, these are opaque. Air is non-luminous. Air, water, piece of rock, sheet of aluminium, mirror, wooden board, sheet of polythene, CD, smoke, plain glass, fog, they are non-luminous. Red hot iron is luminous. Umbrella is non-luminous. Fluorescent tube is luminous because they give light. Wall, sheet of carbon paper, non-luminous. Flame of gas burner, luminous. Cardboard, non-luminous. Lighted torch, luminous. Sheet of cellophane and wire mesh, non-luminous. Kerosene stove, sun, firefly, they are luminous. Moon is non-luminous. Now question number 4. In a completely dark room, if you hold up a mirror in front of you, will you see a reflection of yourself in the mirror? In a completely dark room, there is no light, so no reflection and no image will be formed. Okay, bye bye बच्चों.